Hi viewers, welcome to our channel. Andhra Pradesh government started another new scheme for women in the state on 12th of August 2020. It is another step in the journey of women empowerment. It's going to feel more light in the lives of poor women in the state. That scheme is nothing but YSR Cheyuta. YSR Cheyuta, a boon for women empowerment. First we see the eligibility of women for this scheme. The woman must belong to SC community or SC community or BC community or minority community. Now we can generally get a doubt regarding to minority community. Minority community means a woman either belongs to Muslim minority or Christian minority. But what is the age of the eligible woman? A woman must get 45 years to get beneficiary of this scheme. I mean the woman who is between the age of 45 years and 60 years will be eligible for this scheme. Every year who completes the age of 45 years will be added as the beneficiary for this YSR Cheyuta scheme. But how can they apply? Every eligible woman must apply through village volunteer or ward volunteer. After applying, she can check whether she is in the list or not at ward or village secretariats. So if you go and check the name of you in the list at village secretariat or ward secretariat, now we are going to know what is the benefit she gets from this scheme. Every eligible woman receives a financial assistance of rupees 18,750 rupees per year, and she is given this 18,750 rupees up to 4 years. That is why she is going to get 75,000 rupees as a total amount for 4 years. But how can she get this amount? The government is going to transfer 18,750 per year directly into the beneficiary account. Government says that this YSR Cheyuta scheme is a unique scheme. Why the government is going to say it is a unique scheme? With this amount, a woman can do whatever she wants. She can use this amount either for livelihood or any other business purpose. If any woman wants to do any business, there are no restrictions from the bank officials or there are no restrictions from the government officials, and there is no single paisa cutting in this total amount of rupees 18,750 rupees per year. And if any woman wants to invest this amount in a business, the government is going to help this woman technically and marketing facilities. So that is why she can do any business with the help of the government. In this regard, the government has already signed MOUs, Memorandum of Understanding, with some multinational companies. What they are? Amul company, ITC company, HUL company, Procter & Gamble company, and Reliance company. For example, if any woman wants to perform milk business, the government had already an MOU with Amul company. The Amul company representatives can guide that woman in this regard for marketing facilities, for technical supports. So that is why government had MOUs with these companies. And along with these multinational companies, government had already MOUs with Punjab National Bank, Canara Bank, Indian Bank, and Bank of Baroda. Here there will arise some general doubt. There are already widow women and single women who are already getting pension from the state government. Now what the doubt is, whether the single woman or widow woman are eligible for this YSR Cheyuta or not. Definitely they are eligible. Though they are getting monthly pension 2,250 rupees as YSR pension kanuka, they are also eligible for this YSR Cheyuta scheme. That is why they are going to get rupees 45,750 per year. You see, how can she get this much of 45,750 rupees per year? Yes, she can get YSR Cheyuta, the amount of 18,750 rupees per year, along with her YSR pension kanuka around 27,000 rupees per month. So this YSR Cheyuta scheme would directly benefit in the state around 23 lakh women. For this, the government allocates 17,000 crore rupees in 4 years. And we can say that this YSR Cheyuta will be a game changer definitely in the lives of poor women in the state. And it's a big push to the cause of women empowerment by the government. That's all in this video. The new scheme YSR Cheyuta has been completely explained, and you can download the PDF by clicking the link given in the description box. And we are happy to say that many videos regarding the syllabus for various competitive exams with PDF links to be released soon. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel and never forget to hit the bell icon for more updates.